Welcome back to NK Car, the channel where we bring you the most powerful, luxurious, and exciting car news from around the world. If you're a true car enthusiast, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates from the world of supercars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the all-new 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast. Ferrari has officially unveiled the next-generation model, and it's already setting new benchmarks for performance, design, and innovation. The 812 name has always stood for power and precision, and now, the 2026 edition takes things to a whole new level. Let's start with the design. The new Ferrari 812 Superfast carries that classic Ferrari DNA, aggressive, elegant, and aerodynamic. The front fascia now features slimmer LED matrix headlights, a wider grille with active air flaps, and sculpted lines that enhance both beauty and downforce. The hood has been re-engineered with subtle vents for better cooling, while the side profile flows seamlessly into a more muscular rear. At the back, the quad taillights and new diffuser design give it an unmistakable Ferrari identity with an ultra-modern twist. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2026 812 Superfast truly superfast. Under the hood, Ferrari continues to honor its naturally aspirated heritage. The new model comes equipped with a 6.5-liter V12 engine, but it's been upgraded with new lightweight internals, advanced combustion technology, and mild hybrid assistance. The power output? A mind-blowing 850 horsepower with 720 Nm of torque. This beast rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.7 seconds and can hit a top speed of over 350 km/h. That's not just fast, that's pure Ferrari. Speed Ferrari engineers have also focused on improving the driving dynamics. The car now features an updated rear-wheel steering system, improved aerodynamics, and Ferrari's latest side-slip control 8.0 system, which ensures precision handling even at high speeds. The weight distribution remains perfectly balanced at 47% front and 53% rear, giving the driver total control and confidence on every corner. Inside the cabin, the 2026 812 Superfast redefines luxury and performance together. The interior is designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring new digital displays, premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a more intuitive infotainment system. The dual-display setup gives both the driver and passenger access to vital car stats and entertainment options. Every stitch, every control, and every sound inside the cockpit is designed to make you feel one with the machine. Ferrari has also introduced new customization options through their tailor-made program, allowing owners to design their 812 exactly how they want, from bespoke color finishes to exclusive interior materials. The 2026 812 Superfast is not just a car. It's a statement of power, precision, and prestige. This model also takes a step towards sustainability without sacrificing performance. The mild hybrid system helps reduce emissions while giving a boost in acceleration and efficiency. Ferrari has proven once again that even in the age of electrification, the soul of a naturally aspirated V12 can still thrive with modern innovation. In short, the 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast is more than just an upgrade. It's a masterpiece that honors Ferrari's rich legacy while embracing the future of performance. Every inch, every rev, and every roar reminds you that this isn't just any supercar. It's a Ferrari, built to dominate the roads and hearts alike. If you love hearing about the world's most powerful and luxurious cars, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to NK Car for more exciting car news and unveilings. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive. Outro. Thanks for watching NK Car, where speed meets style and innovation meets passion. Stay tuned for the next incredible supercar reveal.